Mr. Simpson would like a report to be automatically generated and sent each day from Monday to Friday. To do this, he must first create a report. He switches to the Reports area and creates a new report. In this case, he names it Machine 1. He is in the Central Time Zone, and he selects Machine 1 variables as the description. Here, he selects the data from the previous day as the time period. He configures the compression of the data shown in the report to 5 minutes and selects English as the language. He can enter the email addresses of the report recipients who will receive this report. He specifies that this report will always be sent from Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. on every day of the month in every month. He can now define which variables are to be included in the report. Mr. Simpson wants the temperature of Machine 1 to be displayed in the report and selects this option. He names the column in which the variable is shown Temperature. He can, of course, also add additional data points, such as the position of the machine. The report has been configured. The recipient now receives this report by email each day from Monday to Friday.